Hello kids, I am Karishma Nathani welcoming you to the e-learning class. Today we are going to learn lesson number 7 possessive nouns. So we will start with the definition of this chapter's name. Possessive nouns. What is possessive nouns? Are pronouns that shows that something belongs to someone is known as possessive nouns. We learn this lesson with some examples so you can understand easily. This is Rim's kitty. This is Rim's kitty. Here Rims shows possessive noun and it shows that kitty is belong to Rim. Next one is this is John's bicycle. Here Jones shows possessive noun and bicycle. Jones shows that this bicycle is belong to John. This is children's ball. Here children's is possessive noun and it shows that ball is belong to children's. This is Mr. Sharma's car. Here Mr. Sharma shows possessive noun and it shows that car is belong to Mr. Sharma. That is boy's PG house. Here boys shows possessive noun and it shows that PG house is belong to boys. Here you can see some change that we have put apostrophe after the name boys but not plus s. Just because boys is possessive noun which is ends with s. So we will put only apostrophe not s after the apostrophe. So this is Rim's kitty. This is John's bicycle. This is children's ball. This is Mr. Sharma's car. That is boy's PG house. Here Rim's, John's, children's, Mr. Sharma's, boys. These all are possessive nouns which shows that something is belong to someone. Possessive noun is formed by adding an apostrophe plus s to noun. For example, John's bicycle. Here John is the name of person and bicycle is belong to John. So John's bicycle shows that John's is possessive name and bicycle is belong to John. Here apostrophe plus s is important part. Without this we cannot create possessive noun. Second one is children's ball. Here children's. Children is already plural form but this plural form is not ends with s. So we will put apostrophe plus s, not only apostrophe. So children's ball. Here children's shows possessive noun and ball is belong to children's. If a name ending with s usually have the apostrophe after the s. For example, Charles' book. Here Charles is the name of a person which is ends with s. So we put apostrophe after the name Charles. Here Charles and apostrophe shows possessive noun and it shows that book is belong to Charles. Second one is Francis pen. Francis is the name of a person which is ends with s. So we put only apostrophe after the name Francis. So Francis and then apostrophe, it shows that possessive noun and it shows that pen is belong to Francis. For plural nouns, we add an apostrophe after the s. For example, hummingbird's nest. Here hummingbirds is possessive noun which is ends with s. Hummingbirds is plural form which is ends with s. So it shows possessive form because we put apostrophe after the name hummingbirds and it shows that nest are belong to hummingbirds. Next is officers, cars. Officers is a name which is plural name and ends with S. So we put only apostrophe after the name officers. So officers and apostrophe shows possessive noun and cars belong to officers. Here are some example of your text and fair book so you can understand this concept easily. First one is your text example. So we here start with second one. Question 1 is rewrite the sentences using possessives. So the question is the grandparents of Nihar are visiting them. We have to convert it into possessive noun. So the answer is Nihar's grandparents are visiting them. Here Nihar's is possessive form and it shows that grandparents are belong to Nihar. Third one is the parents of Chris have gone to Canada. So answer is Chris' parents have gone to Canada. Here Chris and then apostrophe shows possessive noun. You know that Chris is a name which is ends with S. So we have to put only apostrophe after the name Chris. So Chris and then apostrophe shows possessive noun and it shows that parents are belong to Chris. Fourth one is the sisters of Sohail are playing on the snow. Here answer is Sohail's sisters are playing in the snow. Here Sohail's is possessive noun and it shows that sisters are belong to Sohail's. Next exercise is complete the sentences with correct form of possessive nouns from the given options in the bracket. Here you can see one bracket and two options. You have to select correct option from that. The blank bicycle is parked here. Option 1 is child's apostrophe, comma, child's. So we know that child is singular form and plural form of child is children. So option 1 is wrong. So answer is option 2, child's. The child's bicycle is parked here. Child shows possessive noun and it shows that bicycle is belong to child. Second is blank mother has come. Option 1 is Sita's and Mona's. Option 2 is Sita and Mona's. Here you can see mother is singular form, not mothers, not plural form is here. So mother is singular form which shows that Sita and Mona both are sisters belong to one mother. So answer is Sita and Mona's mother has come. There are two mothers, different mothers of Sita and Mona. So we can write Sita's and Mona's mothers have come. But here only one mother. So we have to write Sita and Mona's mother has come. Third is blank clothes are quite cheap. Option 1 is woman's. Option 2 is woman then apostrophe. As we know that if there is plural form which is ends with S, then and then we have to put only apostrophe after the name. But here woman is plural form which is not ends with S. So answer is woman then apostrophe and S. Option 1. Woman's clothes are quite cheap. Option 2 is wrong. Next exercise is rewrite the group of words using apostrophe plus S to show possessive of the nouns. First is the films of children. Answer is children's films. Here children's is possessive noun and it shows that films are belong to children. Second is the books of boys. As we know, boys is plural form which is ends with S. So we have to put apostrophe after the name boys. So the answer is boys books. Here boys then apostrophe shows possessive noun and it shows that books are belong to boys. Third one is the mother of Ravi and Shweta. Here also one mother, mother, which is singular form, not plural form. So we assume that the mother of Ravi and Shweta is only one, means Ravi and Shweta belong to one mother. So the answer is Ravi and Shweta's mother. We can also write Shweta and Ravi's mother and also write Ravi and Shweta's mother. Both are same. So like this way you have to complete all your text and fair exercise properly. Thank you.